Okay, this is just sort of a preface to problem 4a. That's just more about notation. But let's generalize the expression. Let's say we start with sine x, which is a function of x, and then we're going to take sine -1, or inverse sine of sine x. So what does this mean? As I said, it's the inverse of the sine function, which means arcsine. So I guess somebody decided that it's a little bit too much to write down arcsine, so they decided sine -1 is a nice shortcut for writing down arcsine. That creates a little bit of a problem with notation, though, so let's think about that. If you take the sine of x, you can square it, and people decided they didn't like that notation because it's a little bit inefficient. So more commonly, you'll see that expression written as sine squared x, okay? So this is very common. Now that also is not equal to something else, sine x squared. This is yet something else, okay? So the problem here is, okay, so let's say we like this way of expressing this. That would imply that sine -1 of x is sine of x -1, which is really 1 over the sine of x. So the problem is here, you might think that this expression is this, but it's not. It's the arcsine. So you just always have to remember that. If you want another expression for 1 over the sine of x, you can use this, but you can't use this.